Globus Gates here with another fantastic job and an awesome client. What do you can say about our job?
It's amazing. The best job ever. I mean, the wall, the fencing, the doors, the quality. It was on point. The service, amazing.
Appreciate you.
Si quieren el mejor servicio, mejor calidad y el mejor precio, mi primo Ronnie, Globus Gates,
Sí.
número 1.
Está bien. And contractor options, no problem too.
Si eres un contratista, consulta aquí a Ronnie de Globus Gates y también te puede dar un mejor precio.
We'll connect you with the manufacturer to get the product direct to you for contractor exclusivity. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. It
Awesome.
is an awesome job. Landscape job, everything here is top notch. You're getting really good results right here. Check us out, Globus Gates. Globus Gates, fantastic job. Let me show you around. And landscape, top level right here, top level. I'm telling you, turf, top level. Wow, beautiful. Going with our aluminum fences, aluminum base plate, aluminum stainless steel screws. Everything you see here is 100% rust-free. Everything we use, stainless steel, self-clean cap, no screws on top, beautiful. And then this is obviously for pool. So you got your latch on top, beautiful setup right here. Come after me. So this is a full privacy gate right here. Coming into this nice enclosure, you got your side fence on a base plate, pretty damn nice. Then you got a wall topper, once again, 100% aluminum, 100% US made, 100% powder coated here in the US. So we know A to Z, what is happening with your product, and then what is happening with your install. License, bonded, insured workers' comp. You know how we do Globus Gates the right way, the USA way, and made in the US. And I love when the clients say, Globus, you're the best in the game. And we love it because we worked hard, very hard for that. Enjoy price, value, and product by Globus Gates. You will be super satisfied with the result. All right, let's talk about real quick here what we got. So we got a crazy tall wall topper, we called that. I mean, it was set up for going into concrete. Then we saw the little retainer wall. So we said, okay, let's switch in the base plates. Base plates are aluminum. The screws are stainless steel. So beautiful setup. The cap is screwless, beautiful. Then coming in here, this was not an easy setup, right? We have to do an angle, not a problem. With our product, you can do an angle, variation cuts it, and then go on a wall topper, pretty damn strong, right? Aluminum is flexible, so you have a little flex, but it comes right back. That's what you want. You don't want it to break, right? If it's not flexible, you hit it and it breaks or cracks, you're in trouble. Like metal. Metal, for instance, if you hit it really strong and if it cracks, it's not coming back. Aluminum, flexible, like the wings of the airplane. They're aluminum. They're flexible. They have to be flexible. If not, you'll have airplanes falling off the sky, just like our gates, right? Aluminum, super flexible, super strong. So yes, it's a decor element. It's also security, but it's more of a deterrent. So when people, oh, but it's a little bit moving. Yes, it's not going to be a solid thing. This is not jail. We're not supposed to be in jails. This is a decor. It's a deterrent. And most important, it looks good and it keeps the bad people out of your yard. Stealers, the package stealer, the door knockers, they're not going to screw around with this. It don't matter if it's flexible or not, but it's damn real strong. And if you want it really strong, you can pay a little more extra, core drill the thing, put the entire post in core drill, and I promise you, it'll be extremely strong. It's a lot more money unnecessarily. But if you want to, Globus Gates will do it. So wall topper, clean cut, once again, what a beautiful result. And then I just love this. Wow. The landscape job here is spectacular. The turf is spectacular. The pool setup, the tile work, everything here is on point. I love it. Got the speakers over there. Everything's on point, especially going with the Globus Gates way, which is on point. All right. See you guys. Globus Gates gets your jobs done right.